Welcome to 301 Royal Tower Drive. This nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a remodeled interior, including laminate hardwood flooring, an updated kitchen, as well as a fenced backyard and side entry 2-car garage. It sits on a corner lot in the Friarsgate neighborhood in Irmo, convenient to I-26. And just a few minutes from Harbison, as well as Lake Murray and Lexington and Richland 5 schools. So you can see here, nice sized corner lot. And on the right side of the home, there is a side entry 2-car garage. You can see out front, we have a covered front porch here as well. And then we'll go ahead and take a look inside the home. We have a nice sized lot here, large fenced backyard as well, which we'll take a look at on the other side of the house. So right inside of the entryway, you can see they've installed some beautiful laminate hardwood flooring here, or luxury vinyl tile that continues on down the hallway. And then in the formal living room, right off the entry, you have Berber carpeting throughout most of the rest of that, and also the rest of the home as well. Nice large window looking out towards the front. You have a ceiling fan as well as recessed lighting in here. Then it connects to a formal dining room, also with a ceiling fan. And then on through to the kitchen, which has real hardwood flooring. You see also has an eat-in dining area here with chair rail molding, as well as a laundry closet with some built-in cabinetry and full-size washer and dryer connections. In the kitchen, you have included appliances, a side-by-side refrigerator, there's a microwave, as well as a smooth top electric range and dishwasher here. Glass tile backsplash and window looking out over the backyard. Kitchen also has recessed lighting. And while we're on this side, we'll go ahead and let you take a look at the garage here. So a bit dark in here, we'll see if we can get some more light for you. But 2-car garage. Here we go. So 2-car garage with the door there on the side. You also have your back door that leads out to the backyard. So you have a patio out back, and then a fenced backyard. It goes around over there. And that shed that's in the backyard now, that large shed you see, that is slated to be removed, so that will not come with the property, unfortunately. But right back inside. So we'll cross back over the kitchen and the family room, which is here. You can see the family room has a ceiling fan, has a fireplace there, and a couple of windows looking out towards the backyard. And back in the foyer. So on down the hall, we have a coat closet here, right off near the entry. You have your a full bathroom. You can see nicely updated as well. Your countertops and lighting. And then you have a tiled shower and tub back on this side. One of your 3 bedrooms here. This one has a ceiling fan also. You can see the closet there. And those doors swing open instead of slide or in rollers, so a bit more of a stable closet door design. You can see the master bedroom here also has a similar type closet. And it does go behind the door just a bit on the sides there. Ceiling fan in here also. You have tile flooring. Granite surface countertop here, and then you have a tiled glass shower, beautiful shower walk-in, and then you have a built-in bench there as well. Linen closet here at the end of the closet, and then last but not least, you have your 3rd bedroom, which has chair rail molding in it. And this one's if you're looking at the house from the front, it's on the front left corner, so the only front-facing bedroom, I believe, in the home. Actually, no, both of the bedrooms are front-facing, and you can see there's that 3rd one there. So this completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 301 Royal Tower Drive. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or by giving us a call at 803-407-8522.